Next argument, I've lost count, sorry. There is a contradiction between 2 Peter 3, 5 through 6 and Psalm 136, 6 that can only be explained by a previous creation that took place between Genesis 1:1 and 1:2. There is no contradiction. There is none. Both verses are self-explanatory. Let's look at them. 2 Peter 3, verses 5 and 6. For this they are willingly ignorant of, that by the word of God the heavens were of old, and the earth standing in the water and out of the water, whereby the world that then was, being overflowed with water, perished. This passage indeed deals with the flood of Noah's time, holds absolutely no relevance, and accomplishes nothing in the way of proving two earths. Our planet now has earth, land, out of the water and in the water. Dry earth is out of the water. If we believe the report of the deep sea divers, there's land underwater. There is no problem here. Okay? There is no reason here, okay, to believe that in the water means completely surrounded by waters either. There's no reason to believe that. In the water means in the water. Okay? If you have an island, okay, it's not completely covered and surrounded in water. All right? There is part of it sticking up that is accessible to being out of the water, at any rate. As for Psalm 136, verse 6, it also says what it means and means what it says. There is land above and land below the waters. By gathering the waters remaining into one place and making dry land appear, Genesis 1, 9 and 10, and by abating the water from the earth after Noah's flood, Genesis 8, 11, God stretched out the earth above the waters. Whereas before Genesis 1, 9, land was under the waters. God dividing waters from waters and making the firmament is of no consequence here if these verses are taken in proper context. There is no contradiction to explain away. Therefore, this set of scriptures does nothing in the way of proving two creations, as they say.